Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 28th, 2021. This is going to be our Tezos price prediction. Is Tezos price displaying a hidden bullish divergence going on right now that we can actually see 30% gains into the future? Is that something that we can actually see on the price chart? Well, guess what? We are going to talk about that today on this video. We're going to see if Tezos is going to continue to go higher in price, and if so, we want to make sure that we are all in position so that we can eat and capitalize off of the market moves. So if you guys want to join me, guess what? Tap in right now. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want to make sure that you all understand that this doesn't have to be confusing. You can also predict the price movement, know when to get in, and also know when to get out the market so you can scale with those profits that you have obtained from the last price move. So if you guys want to learn more, like I said, tap in and make sure you join in with me as we continue to make this bread in the cryptocurrency space. So now check this out. Okay, first, before I break down our updated price prediction in Tezos, I want you all to see what happened into the market since our last video, which was on August the 26th, 2021, right here, right? We played the weakness into the market in Tezos at that particular time, but understandably, look at what price has done. Instead of the market going down initially, it went up. So you might be saying, well, HueFin, you actually got that wrong. You actually missed on that prediction. Well, we didn't, because I wanted to show you what happened on one day right here, September the 7th. We told you that the market was weak on August the 26th, and it came right down to where we expected the market to go on September the 7th. So originally, what it looks like from my price chart is that we got our restriction area incorrect, right? We shouldn't have this horizontal line right here at $5.16. We shouldn't have had it there. Instead, the restriction area was up here, right? That is where we should have placed our restriction area. So yeah, I will give you that. We should have moved our restriction area up a little bit higher towards $5.65 rather than $5.15. I give you that, right? Because the market found restriction at that particular level. But nevertheless, take a look at this into the market in Tezos. Right here, the market came and held that support at $4. So if anything, 13.57% was made out the market on September the 7th from our price prediction. So I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you who saw the same thing on the price chart, right? Now, from the gate, you probably feel like you got the prediction wrong. But as always, I want you all to remember that price goes down faster than it does going up, right? So congratulations. Let me go ahead and get rid of this, okay? Because that is over. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get rid of this horizontal line because I want us to make sure we have a clean chart. I don't want us to be confused as to what's going on into the market in terms of where price is going to go. So this is it. We are going to follow the price in Tezos off of this one ascending line. Check this out. All we need to do is just simply extend the ascending line. As long as this price in Tezos continues to trade to the top of this ascending line, we already know price is going to go up into perpetuity forever, as long as the market trades to the left of this ascending line. Now I want to show you all something else. This market has confirmed a trend not once, not twice, 3 times it has confirmed a trend. This is a very strong market move in Tezos. This tells us that everyone understands, they all see the same type of information, and every time the price comes and bounces off this ascending line in Tezos, it goes up. Right, the market moves right back up in price. So if you're looking for an entry price, right, if you're trying to buy Tezos on the low, real cheap, and with the expectation of higher price movement, guess what? You need to come in and buy right here alongside this ascending line, because this is what the market is following and obeying. Now, when we break it, then you know what you need to do, right? The market tells you what you need to do in terms of what you need to hold or what you need to sell. It gives you all that information all in one move. Okay. Now check this out. So the question is, are we in an uptrend on a short-term basis, or can we expect the price in Tezos to come right back down and test this ascending line now? Right? That's a question that we all need to try to address and answer. So before you go, try to answer that question for me. Can we expect the price in Tezos to come back down and test that ascending line? I mean, what do you all think? Look at this price in Tezos on the 3-day, right? Now the 3-day time frame was very substantial and important for us to see, because on this last completed 3-day price bar right here, the market came down and came right back up. And now we're still seeing that this market is weak in Tezos on this last completed 3-day price bar, albeit it's not that weak. I'll give you that. The market in Tezos is not extremely weak, because if we were extremely weak, we would came all the way back down to this ascending line, right? But there's still weakness here that needs to be addressed, and it is seen. The market is telling us already what we need to know. What about on a 2-week time frame? This is the market price in Tezos on a 2-week time frame. Look at the market volume on the 2-week time frame in Tezos. Look at this. Look at all that volume. There has been a lot of price action, a lot of activity going on in Tezos over the last 6 weeks. 6 weeks. A lot of people have been playing in the market in Tezos. Now the question is, what have they been doing? You can only do 2 transactions in any market. You can either buy or you can either sell. That's it. And with all of this volume, what do you think the majority of the transactions were? Was it buying or was it selling? Now you guys can see where price is. We're up there around $7, $7.50. And the last time that we were there, price came down. Are we going to see the same thing again in Tezos? Or is the market really buying up Tezos because they're looking for the price to go exceedingly higher throughout the rest of 2021? What do you think? Because right now it looks as if the market is trying to uphold price from crashing, because they want to move this price up higher later on in the year of 2021. What do you all think though? Let's look at the monthly time frame, so you can get a different image, a different picture as to how this market is feeling in Tezos, right? Here it is right here. What do you all think? It's kind of like a mixed bag for the month of September. I mean, we've seen the market go up, we've seen the market come down, we got high volume, currently closed in the middle of the price bar. It's a mixed bag. The market can really go either way for the month of October, looking at this monthly price bar for September. Now, seeing how we are up here around $6 and $6.50, we might go down, right? Because the last time we was up here, the market in Tezos came right back down. Think about that. Okay. This is the 2-day time frame. This is what's propping up the market price in Tezos right here. So in order for you to really grasp where the market is going to go in Tezos, we got to watch this price right here at $6. Now we can uphold the price from breaking below $6. Man, yeah, I'm looking for the price to go up, right? So it's a current test going on right now in the market in Tezos. So we need to keep our eyes and paying attention to see what price does over the next couple of days around $6. Because if we break $6, guess what? We're going to go a lot lower in price. Back down to $5.50, and even once again, the market's going to try to test that ascending line. See, I'm giving you the play already. I'm giving you my expectation as to what the market's going to do in Tezos way before the market even moves there, because the information is already listed on this price chart. So what do you think we need to do? Are you seeing the strength? Are you seeing the weakness? Right? So let me go ahead and run the play in Tezos real quick. Going to play the weakness. Now, again, I'm not going to be extremely weak into the market in Tezos. You guys can tell that literally I've already told you, as long as price stays above this ascending line, we know where we're going to go in the long term, right? We already know. But in the short term, we can still see this price in Tezos come down another 17-18% into the market, right? I don't see no 30% gains. I don't see a bullish divergence right now in the market in Tezos. I don't see it yet. So we got to follow the information that the market is dropping to us, that it is hinting at what it wants to do, right? So let's do it. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Tezos. Okay. Now restriction has already been pretty much touched, right? Right there around $7. Okay. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Tezos. Either of these two things has to happen first. In order for us to cancel out this prediction, market price will have to break up above $7 on strength. If we don't see any strength as the market in Tezos continues to track higher towards $7, we know that this market move up is fake and is not real. So we won't be tricked into thinking that the market is actually going to continue to go up, right? And the first area TP for us is going to be right here around $5.50. That's 10.85% profitability. And the second area will be anywhere alongside this ascending line that we touch, that this market price touched in Tezos will be a TP price. Okay. So now let me take this back over to the daily so you all can see what we're looking forward to into the market in Tezos. Okay, brings it closer. And this is it right here. Okay, guys, right now, this is our expectations going forward into the market in Tezos. Expecting a little bit of weakness, not extreme weakness. $5.50 is the first location, albeit we might go up a little bit higher than that. I can still see $6, right? I want to give you all this heads up now that the only way that this prediction will go against us is if price stays above $6. All right. So I don't need to have any comments in the comment section saying, well, you said that the market was going to go down. Well, I'm also telling you that the market will go up as long as price stays above $6. Okay. So now I want to know, drop me a comment right now in the comment section and tell me your price prediction as to where you think the market in Tezos is going to go over the next 3 weeks, right? I'm not telling you that for the long term, Tezos is not a buy. I'm not telling you that it's a sell. I'm just looking for your price prediction in Tezos over the next 3 weeks. Where do you think price is going to be? Seriously, where do you think the market's going to go in Tezos in the next 3 weeks? You got to follow the market. So I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Make sure you drop me one in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I'll see you all on our next video.